Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. If you want to find the true intersection of fitness, vanity, and the tropical sun, look no further than Muscle Beach, South Beach. Located right on the sand near the 9th Street in Lummus Park, this isn't just an outdoor gym. It's a legendary landmark that has become a global symbol of Miami lifestyle. For decades, this patch of sand has been the go-to spot for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts who prefer the salt air and the Atlantic horizon over the four walls of a traditional fitness center. Muscle Beach in Miami has a legacy that mirrors the famous spot in Venice, California, but with a distinctly Latin and Art Deco flair. It features a wide array of equipment, ranging from traditional weightlifting machines to specialized kinesthetic bars and ropes. The design is intentionally open, allowing the public to watch as incredible displays of strength and agility take place. You'll see everything here, from professional gymnasts practicing their routines to local residents getting in a sunshine workout before they head to the office. What makes Muscle Beach so truly unique is the democratic nature of the space. It's one of the few places where world-class athletes train side by side with curious tourists. The atmosphere is one of intense focus mixed with a supportive community vibe. It's not uncommon to see strangers cheering each other on or sharing tips on a specific pull-up technique. This is the heart of the see and be seen culture of South Beach, where the human physique is celebrated as a form of art, much like the buildings across the street on Ocean Drive. For Baz Travels, Muscle Beach is a fascinating study in local culture. It represents the city's obsession with health and aesthetics, but it also highlights the importance of public, accessible recreational spaces. The city has invested heavily in maintaining this area, ensuring the equipment is resistant to the corrosive salt air, so it remains the centerpiece of the beachfront. As you walk past, the energy is infectious. It's a place that motivates you to move, to be active, and to enjoy the incredible natural environments that Miami provides. Whether you're here to break a sweat or just to admire the discipline of those who do, Muscle Beach is an essential stop on any South Beach tour. It is a reminder that in Miami, the beach is more than just a place to relax. It's a playground for the body and a stage for the spirit.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.